Welcome back to Show Me Japan. I will show you Japan. Let's go. Japan has so many amazing things to do and eat, right? And it'll be great to enjoy them anytime, anywhere. But let's be real. Traveling in Japan means walking a lot. Did you know the average traveler here clocks in over 15,000 steps a day? Feeling too tired to go out after a long day or having an early morning tomorrow? Don't worry, Japan's konbini are everywhere, and they have unique, delicious finds you can enjoy right from your hotel room. If you watch this video to the end, you'll discover how to fully enjoy Japan right from your hotel room. So let's go. So first, I'm gonna go to 7-Eleven to get a food and drinks and stuff. So let's go. 7-Eleven. So first, of course, beer. This is Asahi and it's kind of unique, and this one actually you can open the can like this and the foam is coming up. It's just like, you know, the draft beer. If you don't like foam, I don't recommend this, but this is unique. Look at this fluffy foam. I think I shake just a little bit. It's too much, yeah? But anyways, here's this is how you start drinking in a hotel room. So before I start eating, you might be interested in the Japanese hotel is like. So I'm gonna show you my room, like kind of room tour. This is a typical hotel. It's about like 10,000 yen per one night, so which is more like $70-80. I'm gonna take you guys around here. So this is the room where I stayed. It's a bedroom and a desk like this. And you can find the refrigerators here. And a kettle, tea or something. Oh yeah, here's heads up. Actually here in Japan, I mean like maybe all over the world, you can choose the smoking room and a non-smoking room. I think I messed up when I booked this room. So you better check, like, you know, you can usually choose like non-smoking or smoking room or something. Or if there is no like the option, maybe you can just request, I don't want to stay in a smoking room. I'm gonna stay here 4 days. I think I'm gonna get used to this now though. So this is the bathroom. The towels, face towels, and dryer. And this one is for the toothbrush and stuff, and like oils and stuff, like lotion. Let's open what's in there. The amenity. I don't know how to say. It's a toothbrush, body sponge, like cleansing and those kind of stuff. And the next one is the bathroom. See, Japanese bathroom open automatically, next level A. And I think you'd love this, like a warm-up seat and a bidet, those kind of stuff. This one is for flush, yeah. And bidet. The thing is, this one is written in Japanese, so you know, just try hit some button if something's gonna happen. So that'll be a good experience for sure. No, I'm joking. This one is like a bidet for the wide or something, and this one is straight to the point. Before you use the bidet, you better check out the water pressure and water temperature like this. Because some mean guys put like, you know, pleasure strongest, and you know, the heat is more like hottest one. So yeah, I mean, you'll be surprised. So you better check the water pressure and the water temperature first. In a hotel, usually they have those kind of pajamas, like this, pajamas. You can just put it like this. But personally, it's a little bit too tight for me, and I don't like this material, so I usually bring my own pajamas, like just normal t-shirts though. Let's continue to drink. I just finished this one. Oh, I'll get this one. So first one is just a rice bowl. This is a plum, and the seaweed is just 128 yen, means like less than $1. You can get it everywhere. But do you know how to open it properly? The first one, you peel from here like this, all the way from the back like this, okay? And pull both sides. Easy, right? Super easy. So いただきます。So next one is a noodle. Here in Japan, a lot of 7-Eleven and Family Mart, those kind of convenience store has many type of cup noodles. I'm gonna show you my favorite, like top one, best cup noodle, which only sold in 7-Eleven, is this one, Moko Tanmen Nakamoto. If you like a spicy noodle or something, you have to try this. This is my best cup noodle for sure. I've eaten this one since when I was like 10 years old or something, but still, this is number one. And it's easy for you to find a cup noodles or something, but it's a bit hard for you to try those kind of noodle. This one is not cup noodle, so this one you have to use the microwaves. Usually at the hotel they have the microwaves, so don't worry. But this one is also good because Jiro ramen. So it's massive and super thick noodle and super chewy, and a lot of veggies on top and garlic and oil like fat. Then you can adjust the size of noodle, and but it's the ramen store itself is super famous and popular. So at least you have to line up 1 hour or something. But you can eat from 7-Eleven, this one. So I'm gonna boil the water and do microwave this one and eat. Let's wait it for 7 minutes and a half. So while I'm waiting for the microwaves and the hot pot, I'm gonna introduce one of the roll. This is called natto roll. So natto is, I think you might know like natto, one of the most unique food from Japan. This is traditional fermented soybean, which is sticky and slimy and a little bit smelly, but we do love this. Let's eat, yeah. So this one is also, there's an instruction. So you first you peel off from here, from the number one, like number one. So let's eat natto maki. いただきます。I mean, if you come to Japan, you want to try new thing, right? This is the thing. You can buy this one from 7-Eleven, find them everywhere. Natto maki. Look at this thick noodle. This one has some veggies like a bean sprout and meat in it. Noodle itself is really chewy and also more flavor of the flour. But sometimes you want to try those kind of unique noodle, yeah, from convenience store. And you can buy this like from 7-Eleven from 24/7, you know, 24/7. So after you drinking and get back to hotel, buy this one and eat. At the same time, I'm gonna eat the Moko Tanmen. This is my favorite. You should definitely try this. Noodle itself is not that thick as much as the other noodle. いただきます。I really like this. Not only just spicy, but also it has more taste and flavor from the soup and also noodle. Especially, I do love spicy food a lot. So, this one. Here's a local tip. You can find this boiled egg, like medium rare boiled egg from 7-Eleven, I mean convenience store. So you have to put this one into the noodle. I mean, now like it's kind of Japanese trend. You get like 2 noodles like this one and also this one, and you have to mix with it. I've never tried, I've never done mix 2 types of noodle, but it's a good opportunity, so I'll just try. いただきます。I like just itself better. But you know, you never know until you try, so I'm not gonna do this again. Here is local tips again. This rice bowl, this is just a salt and there is nothing inside. The reason why I bought this one is you can actually put this onigiri to the leftover soup. I was supposed to do this, so I'm getting full. I'm not gonna do this. Instead of that, I'll eat this one in the morning, for sure, as a breakfast. And also, but this one I bought it just for breakfast. This is a miso soup and the clam miso. And you know what? This one is the best hangover cure, for sure. I mean, medically, yes. So this one, you get hangover, get this miso soup with the clam, so good. This one is anti-hangover pill. The anti-hangover drink tastes bad, but this one, the pill, so you don't taste anything, yeah? Usually you're supposed to take this one before you start drinking, but it doesn't matter. I mean, if you feel like a little bit too much drunk, whatever, just get and drink. It's kind of brown, red pill. I'm gonna take red pill. No hangover for sure. Next one is this one. It's called lemon sour. Lemon sour, okay? You might know Strong Zero, aka Gaijin Killer, which is also lemon sour, but it's 9%. And you know, when I was young, like 20 years old or something, I drink that Strong Zero a lot, and you know, I have a lot of bad memories, so I've never ever drink that one. But yeah, I still love lemon sour, so I get this one, lemon do. People who don't like a beer or but still want to try, you know, Japanese drink, you should definitely try lemon sour for sure. Cheers. It's a really refreshing. You know, so the Japanese convenience stores, they have many type of drinks, like from beer, lemon sour, highball, whiskey, shochu, any kinds. Like this, even if you're in a hotel, you can enjoy Japanese drink and food from convenience store, which is really good, I guess. Japan convenience store, so good. You can get everything, literally everything. I hope this video will help you guys a little bit. If you have any questions, any requests or something, just please comment below. I'll read all comments. So, alright, thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.
Here's the tip. Use a special ShoMeJapan coupon to get a 5% off any tour. It's not just about hopping. Use it for culture tour, food tour, and other magical trip tour all over Japan. So check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.